To enable or disable quick share on Samsung Galaxy A27, first of all we can open settings. Over here in settings we're gonna go to connected devices, and then you should be able to find quick share option over here at the top of this menu. And once you go over here, if you want to disable quick share, what you can do is you can go to who can share with you, and then you can set this option to no one, and then quick share is going to be disabled. You can also of course enable quick share by choosing one of the rest of the options. So by default we use the contacts option. However, to make sure that your phone is actually visible to everyone around you, you can set this option to everyone. And also, we have this option enabled only for 10 minutes by default. If you need more time, you can of course uncheck this option, and then you will stay visible to everyone for as long as you want to. Of course, then you can just change back to, for example, contacts, or you can just completely turn it off if you want to. And that is pretty much it. You should also be able to find quick share over here in the control center, or quick settings actually, here in this expandable area. So you can tap on the quick share button in order to open quick share menu over here. And for example, you can stay in this receive menu in order to temporarily set your visibility to everyone. So as long as you stay here, you are visible to everyone no matter what is your setting. And of course, if you leave this menu, then you will revert to your standard setting. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.